안녕하세요. Koreanteacher Grace입니다. It is a class for students I'm for the first time. This is an introduction class before starting my Korean class. So you can just listen to my explanation and understand it in this class. These are very important contents that should not be missed while learning Korean. And it includes an introduction to each of my classes. First, let me introduce the Greek alphabet, characteristics, and significance of Hangul. And then we will learn in detail from vowels in order. Are you ready? Let's enjoy! Today's class is on national language. On national language, Korean language can be divided into native word, 고유어, Chinese word, 한자어, and foreign word, 외래어, according to its origin. The native word is our language, and it means the word that you used in Korea from the beginning. And a newly coined word from the original Korean word is also called a pure Korean word, 순, 우리, 말. Chinese words are a kind of loanword. But because they have been used in Korean for a long time, so they are not foreign words, but Chinese characters, Sino-Korean words. Foreign words are the words of other countries that have come into our language and become used like our own. Foreign words are part of our language, and they are different from other countries' words or languages. In Korean, Chinese characters account for the largest proportion of these. Chinese characters are divided into meaning and sound, and we merely use the sound to write and speak in Korean. I will explain my name as an example. Look at this line. My name is 박혜영. My name is Chinese character. These are Chinese characters. Look at this line. 박혜영. As I said, Chinese characters are divided into the meaning and sound. The meaning, 성, the sound, 박. The meaning, 은혜, graceful. The sound, 해. The meaning, 옥빛, jade light. The sound, 영. And we merely use the sound to write and speak in Korean. My grandfather gave me my name. Since ancient time, so jade is a very skilled color in Korea. It means to live as a gracious person who shines like jade. That's why I named my English name like Grace. And I can also use 그, Okay. Korean can be used in various ways. Most Koreans use Chinese character names and have their own meaning. So you can ask them, what does your name mean? We also use Chinese characters to read numbers in Korean. Look at this. In Korean, there are words such as 수 and 숫자. In English, both 수 and 숫자 use the same expression, the number. 수 is a value representing an object that can be counted. 숫자 is a symbol or letter to indicate 수. For example, look at this. 1,000원, 2, 6. What is 수 here? And what is 숫자 here? 1,000원, 수. Okay. Number 1, number 0, number 0, number 0, 숫자. Okay? 수 means everything you can count. 숫자, in English, figure. Example, write the figure 7 on the board. Okay? Here's a tip. You use the words 수 and 숫자 a lot, but you don't have to distinguish between 수 and 숫자 in our daily conversation. Just know as a number. Okay? Good. Nowadays, the number commonly used around the world is the Indian alphabet numbers such as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. When counting in Korean, you use the number of native words 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Or you use the number of Chinese characters, Sino-Korean numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Look at this. For example, the way you read the number 1 is different from native words 하나 and Chinese characters 1. Okay? Good. We will learn more in detail about how to read numbers in Korean. That's it for today's lesson. Please press like and subscribe. See you next time.